In today's video, we will show you how to install iTunes in your computer. With this program, you can connect your iPhone mobile phone to your computer. Even if the installation is not your language, you just have to follow the same steps. In Google, we search iTunes and we will enter in the first result. And you have to select 32 bits or 64 bits depending on your computer. Don't worry if you are wrong. You will get a notice in the next steps and you will only have to repeat the operation with the correct option. We have to wait for it to download. It may take a few minutes. Once downloaded, we open the file and just click on execute. We wait for it to collect the necessary information, and once the installer opens, just click next. It will ask us the installation options that we want. We have three options. The first check is to add a shortcut to the desktop. The second check is to use iTunes as our default audio application. And the third check is for let iTunes to update automatically. We select our language and later we click on install. We have to wait for it to be installed. When we finish, we only have to click on finish and the program will open automatically. If you like it, give us a like and subscribe to our channel.